We are solving question from GATE 2016 from electrical engineering branch, and this is from network theory from basic network analysis. Okay, so we are given this circuit. We have to find the voltage across voltage at this node. We have to find voltage at this node A. Okay, this question was asked in GATE 2016 electrical engineering. So this current is given I1, and this is a current dependent voltage source because it is a voltage source and its value is dependent on I1. I1 is this current. So what we will do is we will first apply KCL at this node. We will first apply KCL at this node A. Okay, so if we apply KCL at this node, so let the voltage of this node be VA. Let the voltage of this node be VA. Okay, so there will be 4 currents because there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 outgoing currents from this. Okay, so first current will be this current for this 5 ohm resistance. So this current can be written as VA upon 5 because it is an outgoing current. Then this is the incoming current. This is the incoming current. So write it as -5. Because this voltage is VA, so obviously this voltage will also be VA. This voltage will, the voltage across this 5 ohm resistance will also be VA because these are connected in parallel. Okay, so VA upon 5 -5. Then this, if we apply in this, then we get plus VA plus tan I1. VA plus tan I1 upon 5. Okay, so the current for this is VA plus tan I1 upon 5. Then we can write as plus I1 because I1 is again outgoing current, and I have taken this current also as outgoing current only. So that is why this is taken as positive because this current direction will be like this. So outgoing current, so taken as positive. So this should be equal to 0. This should be equal to 0. This should be equal to 0. And this I1 we can write as VA. This I1 we can write as VA minus 10 upon 5. This current can be written as VA minus 10 upon 5 is equal to 0. Okay, sorry, VA minus 10 upon 10 because there are two 5 ohm resistances. I did not see the second 5 ohm resistance. So VA minus 10 upon 10 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. If you solve it, you will get, let me solve it. So we get VA upon 5, and this also I am writing as VA upon 5 plus tan I1 upon 5 minus 5 plus VA upon 10 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so this will be equal to 2 VA upon 5. This can be written as 2 VA upon 5. 2 VA upon 5. This can be written as minus 6. Okay, equal to 0. And 2 VA upon 5 plus VA upon 10. So if we take LCM for these two, so upon 10, so 2 VA, so this will become 4 VA because it was 2 VA upon 5. So 4 VA plus VA plus 10. So this can be written as 2 I1. 5 will cancel 2. So 2 I1 equal to 6. Okay, so this will become 5 VA upon 10. So VA upon 2. VA upon 2. VA upon 2 plus 2 I1 is equal to 6. Okay, so again we can substitute. Again we can substitute I1 is equal to VA minus 10 upon 10. So again VA minus 10 upon 10 equal to 6. So again this will become upon 5 equal to 6. So if you take the LCM, then what you will get is the LCM will be 10. The LCM will be 10. So we can multiply this by 10, so it will become 60. So this was upon 2. So y 5 VA and this was upon 5. So plus 2 VA minus 20 is equal to 60. 5 VA plus 2 VA minus 20 is equal to 60. So 7 VA equal to 80. 7 VA equal to 80. So if you solve it, you will get VA equal to 11.428 volt. You will get VA equal to 11.428 volt. So this will be the answer for this question, because 7 VA upon 20 upon 80, if you divide it, you will get 11.428 volt. So I hope this question was clear to you. The only concept of the in this question was the Kirchhoff's current law. So please like and share the video. Also please share the video with your friends. Thank you and best of luck.